All the sexiness. Oh my god. Taking my car to get the headlights or the starlights installed. So the next time y'all see it inside, it's gonna look different. But it's like 10 o'clock right now. So just firing up to go and stay tuned. Bro, real shit, this shit's about to look so different, bro. All the starlights gonna be in here and shit. It's gonna look wicked. Yo, I'm about to pull up and check out this car, bro. Got the homie who drove me Trent End, bro. Gotta check this shit out. Literally got it done in a subdivision like this, bro. Bro, this is the guy's garage. It's sick as fuck. These are the stars. This is what it be looking like. This is sick, bro. This shit's loaded. The shit. Wait, let's see how it feels. Oh, you see how I'm shooting, bro? Anyways, I'm gonna get going, bro. Yo, the quality is amazing, bro. I haven't seen anything messed up in like any of like the siding, trimming, none of that, bro. He said the Nissan trimming too was like a bit more delicate and it's more difficult apparently. But nah, man, like this guy did such a sick job. Like credits to this guy for real.